Hi, Bob Freeman here with MarineMax in Naples, Florida. I'm here today to show you Boston with a 2021 42 Outrage with the quad 450 racing motors on it. It's a rocket ship. The colors, the black with the highlights of the black and the blue interior. Just a beautiful, beautiful color scheme. You've got a shore shade that comes all the way out the back, covers this entire seating area here. You also have a dive door. That boarding the boat is nice and level when you're on a floating dock. It's the safest way for you to get on the boat. Also, when you're fishing, instead of bringing them over the gunnel where you lose a lot of fish that way, you can just pull them right from the water, right into the fish box. Safest way, easier to clean that way as well. So now we got the little galley area set up. Twin refrigerators with freezers in both of them. You've got storage. You've got the electric grill, which is just a phenomenal grill, cooking your fish after you cook them. Let's move to it now. We can take this, we can lower this down. I can convert this. Now you have a huge, comfortable seating. You can put 4 adults comfortably across here. Really, really nice. You got 6 AC jets right here, or heat. So you can close this off. You can be temperature controlled all the way in here. Really, really nice with 3 captain seats. So 6 people, very, very comfortable here. The dash has got 3 Raymarine touchscreens. So you've got everything you're going to need. You got plenty of electronics on it. You get the computer, digital throttle and shift. And then you've got the joystick, which you control this boat perfectly. I can get it in any slip, anytime, any condition. It's unbelievable. I can also has the sky hook, so I can point it at the sunset. Or if you're just out in the Gulf and you just want to stay in one particular spot, you can hit the sky hook, locks you in a position. It's fantastic. Also, the auto heading is a point and shoot autopilot. Really simple, really easy. So all 3 features on this, you can't beat them. Then we've got a really huge down below. So you can put maybe 8 to 10 people down there if you wanted to, if you need to get out of the weather, or and then so you got a table that comes up. You got a big stand-up shower with in the head. So really, really nice cabin down below. As we move to the bow, they've done this really, really well. So this is set up now where you can have 4 adults comfortable lounging up here. You've got a lounge area here where the seats will go up. So you've got 2 lounges, one on either side here. And then the table hydraulically comes up and down. So it's really nice setup. You just take the pad off, put it down below, and you've got a nice table. And if you want to have that set up as a table, I can bring this up, lock that in, and now, so you had everybody sitting around here. Really, really nice for entertaining. So just they've done everything well. This particular boat has a spotlight. It's got the open array radar on it. It does everything very, very well. So if you've got any questions or would like to come see it, please give me a call. My name is Bob Freeman at 603-213-1194.